Welcome to our tutorial on analyzing iReady data in the portal by New Visions. In this video, we will walk through how to review iReady screener outcomes in the portal and show you how to identify students needing support to help them improve on future administrations at your school. The portal allows schools to access iReady screener data, which includes aggregated school-wide data, individual student scores, and historical screener information. iReady on the homepage. After logging into the portal, you will land on the homepage, which provides an overview of key performance and process measures for your school. In the screener section, you'll find a panel listing screeners by subject area. The panel shows the percentage of students performing at or above grade level. Placement levels are determined by specific scale score ranges for each grade. This percentage reflects students who scored on or above grade level based on overall and domain-specific scores from their most recent assessment. By clicking on the percentage, you can view a breakdown of the distribution of students' achievement level. At the bottom of the page, students are grouped initially by grade, with counts of students falling into different achievement levels based on their scores. This view allows you to quickly see overall counts and percentages at each achievement level. Clicking on any row will take you to an iReady student list. Alternatively, if you would like to bypass the breakdown view, you can use the left side navigation to select screeners and access the iReady student list view here. Here, students are organized by achievement level and additional assessment data such as completion date, scale score, and includes attendance as well. This list view provides a more detailed focus on individual students with easier ways to group them to help identify needed supports. The first dropdown allows you to select a specific screener, and when you click iReady Math option, you can switch to a specific administration window. The second dropdown enables you to filter results for different student subgroups, and the third dropdown provides options to adjust how students are grouped. By default, students will be grouped by their scores on the most recent relative placement. This data can be used to identify students needing intervention and directly assign them to a small group support in the portal. For instance, if the math team wants to create small groups and assign a teacher to each group with a focus on attendance by grade level for students who scored in the early range, they can use the second dropdown to filter by grade. Then students can quickly be assigned to a support group using the Batch Actions option on the right-hand side. For more information on how to assign students to a support, please watch our Create and Assign Students to a Support tutorial. iReady in the student profile. You can also explore historical screening data for an individual student by accessing their profile. To open the student profile, click on a student's name from the student list view, or use the left side navigation on the homepage and select Student Profile. Within the Screeners panel, use the dropdown under the iReady heading to view the administration date, scores, and achievement levels by domain, organized by each administration window. Above the list of screeners, you'll find 3 dropdowns. The first dropdown lets you view progress for a single administration window or compare progress across multiple administration windows. The second dropdown allows you to select a subject area, and the third dropdown enables you to choose a specific school year. Viewing screener data in the student profile is valuable for conducting outreach, as it allows you to see all student scores, generate a student report, and access their guardian contact information all in one place. For more information on how to generate reports that can be used when meeting a guardian and/or student, please watch our Generating Students Report video. iReady in the data grid. Another way to view iReady scores is through the data grid, a spreadsheet-like tool that allows you to create custom views of data. Viewing iReady scores in the data grid allows you to look at the data alongside other key demographic or student outcome data. For example, you can add attendance columns to see whether or not attendance may have impacted the student's iReady score, or to more strategically think about the types of supports students may need. To access the data grid, select Data Grid from the left side navigation. Once in the data grid, select Screeners, and then select iReady. All iReady scores will be displayed, and you can sort any column in ascending or descending order by clicking on the column header. Additionally, you can filter columns by hovering over the column header and clicking on the hamburger icon. To add additional columns, select the Edit Column option on the top left and select additional columns you want displayed. Once you have added additional columns, you can click Save to My View to save this as a custom view, and you can easily come back for additional monitoring. In conclusion, iReady data in the portal provides school staff with actionable information that can inform and enhance instructional strategies to better support student learning and growth. For questions or help, use the Calendly link in the video's description. Stay connected by following us on social media for exclusive content, the latest news, and updates on student success. Thank you for watching this tutorial on analyzing iReady data in the portal by New Visions.